Now we will see arcs of circles method. In this problem, major axis is given as 120 and minor axis is given as 90. Draw a line AB of length 120 representing major axis and locate the midpoint O. From O, draw a perpendicular line to AB of length 90 and name that as CD. CD will represent the minor axis. Now the next step is you have to locate the focal points F1 and F2. Now take AO, that is half of the major axis, as radius, C as center, draw an arc onto AO. Then you will get the first focal point F1. Now F1 we have obtained. Now take same radius AO and C as center, draw another arc onto BO this side. Then you will get another focal point F2. Now this is F2. After locating F1 and F2, you have to take some number of points in between F1 and O. I'll take some 3 points, something like this. Then take A1. You locate some 3 points. Take A1 as radius, F1 as center, draw one arc on the top side. Then same A1 as radius, F1 as center, draw one more arc on the bottom side. Now same A1 as radius, F2 as center, draw one arc on the top side. Draw one more arc on the bottom side. Now you take B1 as radius, F2 as center, draw one arc here. Then automatically this arc will intersect with the previous arc and you will get point P1. Draw one more arc on the bottom side. Then this arc will intersect with previous arc. Then you will get Q1. Now same B1 as radius, F1 as center. Now I am changing the center to F1 and I am drawing one arc. This is intersecting with the previous arc and I am getting P1 dash. Bottom side also you repeat the same procedure. Then you will get Q1 dash. Now change the radius. Now take radius as A2 and F1 as center, draw 2 arcs, F2 as center, draw 2 arcs. I'll show it now. Now take A2 as radius, F2 as center, draw one arc here. Draw one more arc on the bottom side. Now don't change the radius and change the center as F2. This is F1, this is F2. F2 as center, draw one arc on the top side and one arc on the bottom side. So after taking A2, now you have to take B2 as radius. Take B2 as radius, F2 as center, draw one arc. This arc is intersecting with the previous arc and you will get P2 point. Then draw arc on the bottom side. Now this arc is intersecting with the previous arc, you will get Q2. Now change the radius to F1, change the center to F1, radius is same B2 only. Now if you draw an arc you will get P2 dash. Now same radius B2 and center as F1, this is F1, center as F1, you draw an arc that will automatically intersect with previous arc and you will get Q2 dash. Now I will take the radius as A3. Now I will take A3 as radius, F1 as center, I will draw 2 arcs here, F2 as center, I will draw 2 arcs here. I will show how to do it. Now take A3 as radius, F1 as center, one arc here and one arc on the bottom side. Now change the center, F2 as center, draw one arc on the top side, draw one more arc on the bottom side. Now change the radius. Now take the radius as B3. Now take the radius as B3, F2 as center, draw one arc. Automatically you will get one intersection point here, that is P3. Bottom side one more arc, this is Q3. Now change the center, F1 as center, you draw the arc, this is P3 dash. Bottom side you draw one more arc, this is Q3 dash. Now draw a smooth curve passing through all these points. Now draw a smooth curve, smooth freehand curve joining all these points. Then you will get a smooth ellipse like this. Now we will see how to draw the tangent and normal to this ellipse at a given point. Now assume given point is at a distance of 35 mm from the major axis. This is something like this. Here I will get the point. Now from this point you draw the lines to F1 and F2. Something like this, you draw two lines and draw a angular bisector to these two lines. Angular bisector to this F1, suppose if you call this as P, F1, P, F2 is some Mn. Angular bisector will become the normal. Then draw a perpendicular to this normal, then you will get the tangent.